This is the end of the 3-week series that we've gone through to get to where we are. We talked about 2 weeks ago how you are priced spot plus premium, what I pay a major wholesaler plus my commission equals your price. We've talked about that we're the only company I know of in the country that if you buy it from us, we'll rebroker it for you free. We're the only company that has the lowest storage fees in the country, bar none. If you're storing stuff out there at 50 basis points or more, you need to call us and talk about moving. We'll get it moved to our warehouse that we use. Very cost efficient, but you must have an account in there to do that. And then last week, we talked about the U.S. gold pre-1933 and whether it be confiscated. If so, was it okay to have some in your portfolio? And we said yes, as long as you stick with the $20 gold pieces, the Liberties and the St. Gaudens that are made prior to 1933. So we've talked about all that. Today, I want to talk about the special deals. And up till 2000, I was in the market, make market, put up some bids, and then the last 18 years, I've been strictly a broker. I know a lot of people in the industry, have a great reputation, 42 years of doing this. So when you get to be friends with wholesalers and they're market makers and they have to buy things when their bids get hit, so they may only want 100 gold eagles, but they have to buy 300 or 600 gold eagles. So they'll send me a note or call me and say, you can have 100 gold eagles at this premium, which can be 1 to 2% below the normal premium. Well, that's an incredible deal for a company that's only working on 2.5% markups on gold and 3% on silver anyway. So now you can save 2% and almost buy what is normally my cost. So what a lot of our clients have learned to do is when they are ready to buy, they call in, talk to Dan or Kathleen or myself and say, okay, I've got 10,000, 100,000, million, whatever it is, and I want to get what the lowest break-even point is, things that are below market. And we can come back and tell you what those are. We'll have some every day in gold and silver that'll be more below our normal cost. So if you're not married to a product, like if you don't have to have gold eagles or British sovereigns or French francs every time, then certainly we can help you even get closer to break even right off the bat by the way you buy, the price we're able to find for you. So we think this is very, very important. And as we've talked about over the last 2 weeks, if you want a self-directed precious metals IRA, give us a call. Well, we can function as your agent. We can function as your broker, your representative, but we cannot be the custodian. You'll have to use one of the government-approved custodians. So if you'll give us a call at 800-247-2812, we'll discuss that with you about the IRAs. And certainly when you're ready to buy and you want to buy the most cost-efficient product, we're there, unless it's just a product that you like, and that's fine. We have people buy the same product every time they purchase because that's what they feel comfortable doing. So we don't have a problem with that. But what we try to do for 3 weeks here is bring you into the flow of the market rather than talking about economic indicators and fundamental issues in the market out there, technical issues, where the market is. We'll get back into that. The next 2 weeks, I'll be on vacation. So I won't be back until, I guess that's about July, what would be something like July 17th or something like that, 16th or something like that before I'm back. So this will be the last one that happens. But I hope you have a great summer and get caught up, and main thing, get your portfolio in order, because I can promise you this fall is going to be a Donnybrook farm. You're going to see premiums going up. You're going to see prices going up. You're going to see gold cryptocurrencies coming into existence. We've talked about, we're going to continue to hear rumors of war. We're going to continue to hear about the oil problems we're having with Iran and Iraq and all this. None of that's going to change. So we'll get back into all that starting on, like I said, I think it's July 16th or 17th, right in there. So until then, this is Tom Cloud signing out.